Hello everyone, welcome back to the electronic tutorials using Tinkercad. So today in this session we are going to design one more circuit, and we are going to test the circuit which we are going to design. And now I am going to open the Tinkercad. So just go to your Tinkercad account and click on circuits, then click on create a new circuit. So it takes 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, so today in this session we are going to work with two LEDs, and we are going to connect the two LEDs in a parallel connection. Okay, we are going to connect these two LEDs in parallel with a voltage, a battery. Okay, voltage source battery. Okay, so and as we discussed, the coin battery has 3 volts, so the required voltage for this LED is 1.5 volts only. So this is almost double to the required voltage. So to avoid the excess voltage, we need to take a resistor. Okay, so I'm just taking a resistor also, and I'm rotating this coin battery by pressing R button from my keyboard. That's fine. So, and I'm going to change the name of this LED to LED1, and I'm going to take this as red one only. So coming to the second one, I'm going to change the name of this second LED is LED2, and here I'm going to change the color also, green. Okay, first one is red LED, second one is a green LED. And coming to this resistor, so I just want this resistor with a 180 ohm value. So here I'm going to give 180 ohm. Okay, and now it's time to connect the components. For that I am just clicking on this positive and just dragging the cursor. Okay, so sorry, connect it to the positive terminal of the green color LED. Okay, then again one more connection we need to take from here only. So from here, just give me a second. From here we need to take one more connection, because we are going to connect this parallelly, right, these two LEDs. So from here to anode of the red LED, right? So and we are left with 3 negative connections, negative of this 3 volt coin battery, and the negative of this green color LED, and negative of this red color LED. Okay, now we have to connect all these 3. So I'm just rearranging this. Okay, so from here also we have to take the same connection. Oh, it's fine. Yes. Okay, sorry, here only. Okay, and I'm going to rearrange this neatly. So okay, we are now done with the circuit designing. So here we arranged two LEDs in parallel manner with a coin battery, and there is a resistor is used for avoiding the excess voltage. And now I am going to start the simulation. So by clicking this button, the simulation will start, and here the simulator time is running. So both the LEDs are glown, means both are in on state. So when I stop, both the LEDs came into the off state. So again when I click on start simulation, both the LEDs will glow. Just keep an eye. Okay, both the LEDs are glowing. Okay, now I am stopping the execution. And if you want to control the on and off states, if you want to control, you can use a switch, you can use push button, or you can use a slide switch. Okay, that depends on your requirement, you can use. Okay, and this is how we connect the components in parallel manner. Okay, here this circuit, particularly this circuit, demonstrates connecting two LEDs in parallel manner. Okay, thank you.